Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a Fusion drive. If your Mac's Fusion drive has split into two separate disks, you'll see them individually in Finder. To begin the repair process, restart your Mac and immediately hold down Command and R to enter Mac OS Recovery. Once in recovery mode, navigate to the Utilities menu and open Terminal. Once in Terminal, the first step is to identify your Fusion drive's components. Type Discuto list to see all connected disks and note the identifiers for your SSD and HDD. If you're running Mac OS Mojave or a newer version, simply type Discuto reset Fusion and press Enter, then type Yes to confirm. For older Mac OS versions, you'll need to use a series of Discuto core storage create commands to manually fuse the drives. After successfully recreating your Fusion drive, the next crucial step is to reinstall Mac OS. This will ensure your system is fully functional on the newly merged drive. If you have a Time Machine backup, you can easily restore your personal files and settings. For situations involving physical damage or severe corruption, it's best to consult professional data recovery services to maximize your chances of retrieving important data. Once Mac OS is reinstalled, open Disk Utility to confirm your Fusion drive now appears as a single, unified volume. This indicates a successful repair. Remember, regular backups are essential to protect your data from any future drive issues. Consider using Time Machine or another reliable backup solution. And speaking of staying prepared, why not check out the Owala water bottle link in the description for great deals and to keep yourself hydrated. It's a small step for a healthier you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.